Hi, this is Mauro from ImproveInfotech.com, and on this video we're gonna go through the steps to enable dark mode on Google Chrome without tweaking any settings on the browser. Starting with version 74 and later, Chrome includes a dark mode, but currently there is not an option inside of the browser itself to manage this feature. So the way you actually enable the new color scheme on the browser is to enable the dark mode on Windows 10 itself, which you can do that through the Settings app. Before using the steps, make sure that you're running Google Chrome version 74 or later. You can do that through the About Google Chrome page. As you can see right here, right now I'm just using version 76, which is the Canary version of Google Chrome. And once you check that, open the Settings app, go to Personalization, and on the Colors page, make sure to switch to the dark mode. And as you can see, Google Chrome will respond to the dark mode settings on Windows 10 and it will update its user interface with the new dark color scheme. If you want to disable dark mode, just do the same thing, but instead on the Settings app, use the light mode. If the feature doesn't work, then you can check my other video, which I'll be leaving the link on the description below, that will show you how to force the dark mode on Google Chrome. And that is all there is to it. Remember to like the video, leave your comments, subscribe to the channel if you haven't done that yet, and I just hope this video was informative for you, and I would like to thank you for viewing.